Good morning, Panthers, or good afternoon. Did you know that you can fill out your own attestation on the Family app? I'm going to walk you through how you log into the Family app and where you find it. All right, the Family app, while it is called an app, is actually web-based. So you can find it here off the website. So this is tacomaschools.org. If you click the home button on your web browser, if you're using a school device, it will take you directly to tacomaschools.org. Then you'll find Family app right here on the black bar. Once you get to this page, you are going to click login. You already have your Office 365 credentials. This is what you use for logging in to the Family. It already knows that my credentials are right here. It may do the same for you. If it does, just click on your name and it will log you in. If not, make sure you use your student number at tps10.org and your Office 365 password. I don't have a Family app. Teachers use something else, so I'm not going to click on it. Once you do get into the Family app, if it is your day to show up in person, there will be a daily COVID survey for you to fill out. If it is not your day to show up in person, you will not see the survey. Please answer the questions honestly on your COVID survey. Complete it and have it completed before you even leave for school. That way, it's already taken care of.